Da Nang just opened a brand new mall. I'm standing right in front of it, and from the outside it looks huge. So we're gonna take you guys on the inside and see what it's actually like. It just opened 4 days ago, so we're gonna be some of the first people to actually check it out. Wow, there's so many people in here already. I'm just taking this all in. The bakery upon entry, you already know, I'm so excited, but it's packed in there.
And look at this entryway area, it's huge.
Super open down here on the first floor, so I know there's gonna be so much stuff here later.
I think this is the only Uniqlo they have here in Da Nang, so we'll go check it out.
Since we're now in the mall, I can see it's actually not that big, but the top floors on the outside made it look so much bigger. Right now, I'm in Aeon, which is like the Japanese grocery store, which is super cool. I want to see what international things they have in here. It's super spacious and really clean, which I think the Aeon malls are actually known for. So it's pretty consistent here, even in Da Nang. There's a whole liquor section over here with drinks. Really spacious. Some of the aisles are still pretty empty because it's brand new. I mean, they just opened. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for towels for so long. They got some household items down here. Fruits here are so much smaller than the fruits in the US.
Yeah.
Bun bao.
Bun bao
day. I think you definitely have to be prepared for when you are in Da Nang, or just honestly Vietnam in general. When you're in crowded spaces like this, you're gonna get touched.
Yeah.
And I don't mean like graze, like they're gonna full on just keep acting like you're not there, and that's just a part of it. Because there's too many people to be like, oh, excuse me, every 5 seconds. You're gonna get bumped, you're gonna get nudged, you might even get pushed down and trampled over. I'm kidding.
I've been touched though, a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so it's a nice grocery store. They've got a customer section over here, customer service section over here. But I'm gonna tell you, what's gonna be wrong with this place is it's too crowded to do any shopping here. Look at the line down here. Look how many people. I love that they do these food court sections in here. It's really nice, but again, the hassle is gonna be trying to actually get in there. And this actually isn't even just like, well, it is grand opening time and stuff like that, but the reason why we don't shop at Lot Mart as much anymore is because half the battle is just getting in and out of the place, and checkout, don't even get me started. So I would like to see how this looks in a couple weeks once the hype is a little bit gone down. But that store, the Aeon store that I just came out of, over here, the Japanese style store, it's gonna be a problem. I can't see myself like going in there quite a bit because it's so packed. I won't even be able to do anything. So hopefully they have Grab delivery options. What's this? I haven't seen this store around Vietnam yet, or Da Nang. It looks super like traditional and nice. Public restrooms. And they've also got a Paris Levain bakery here. These restaurants are all over Vietnam, and I think there's one other location in Da Nang. But the first floor has quite a few bakeries. They've got Aeon Bakery, and then they've got the Paris Levain bakery here as well. So this is the first floor, super open. I can imagine they're probably gonna put so much stuff right here in the middle. Once the place is a little bit more, I guess, lived in, I can see they're probably gonna have like cars and stuff in the middle. You know how they do at malls, but let's go to the second floor and see what's there. I can see from the first floor that they have Muji, it looks like, on the second floor. They've got a Foot Locker, which I don't know for sure if the other malls here in Da Nang have Foot Locker, but they've got Muji, Uniqlo, and Foot Locker on the second floor. So we're gonna check it out. They've got everything roped off. I wonder if it's gonna stay like this or if it's just for the grand opening to kind of provide some stability, because things can get a little out of hand sometimes here in Da Nang. There's so many people. were struggling to get on the escalator. I know quite a few people were scared of escalators. I think some kids are afraid. All right, floor 2, Crocs, Tommy Hilfiger, Lacoste, Foot Locker, MLB, which I haven't seen in Da Nang. I saw it in Ho Chi Minh. But I think it's the first one in Da Nang. From the outside looking in, this place looks huge, but it's really just 4 floors. Luckily, some of the stores are different. This has the first Uniqlo and Muji in Da Nang. I was hoping for a Zara, but there's no Zara here. But I think there are still some pretty good shopping options if you're visiting Da Nang, or even if you want to get some basics and stuff. The other mall, which is the Vincom Plaza, the only store that we shop in there is the H&M. So this definitely has way more stores that we would visit. Not today, however. Look at the line to get in Uniqlo. Very rightfully so. It's a really nice store, but I'm not waiting in this line to get in the store. Muji is right across. I also like Muji. I feel like it's more of the maybe household version of Uniqlo, and Uniqlo has like the clothes. Muji has the household items. Ooh, I found Twaka. Let's see if he recognizes me in the crowd. He didn't recognize me. That's crazy. Maybe because I'm short. But no, second floor, more coffee shops, lots of areas to sit. Probably come in here and work too at some point. Muji doesn't have as much of a line as Uniqlo, but I think I'm probably gonna stop in here before we leave.
See, this is a good place to like stock up on the blacks. You know what I mean?
Sounds racist.
It sounds a little racist. Grab one of those.
Come on. Thank you. Oh, you know something else I heard? Just a little town gossip. I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard like the customer service in this mall is supposed to be like better. I feel like it is. So the Vincom mall that we go to is like, we go there for H&M only, and I feel like this would be a mall that we would come to just for like Muji and Uniqlo.
Yeah.
Probably same as a lot of people. They have some really good stuff in here though.
Yeah.
And I have never lived in a city that had a Uniqlo in it, so this is already like a huge plus for me.
Small, large.
You may not be able to
medium.
tell, but Twaka's favorite color is black.
We love the blacks.
This is bringing back so many memories. Like these two together. School days.
Uniform?
Yeah. But this is like really nice though. I'm so glad I'm done with school. I will never, ever do that again. All right, we are on the 3rd floor. It looks like the start of the food zone and the family zone, or levels. This time zone looks like an arcade, which is pretty standard. I feel like every mall in Vietnam
whole game room
has an arcade. So this is the arcade section. Great spot for families, kids, date night. This is cute. We'll have to check this out one day.
Yeah.
You know, you and I have been known to frequent arcades. But yeah, 3rd floor is like the first level of like actual restaurants. So we're gonna check it out and see what they have here. First place I see is this place is called Shuyi Grass Jelly Tea and Coffee. And from what I've heard, this is like a Japanese-inspired mall. This is really big in Japan, so I feel like there's a lot of Japanese options here. Texas chicken is something I've seen here in Da Nang before, but we haven't tried. But when I tell you, it smells so good. And we've heard from good friends that this is a good spot, so we might try it. Spicy box, lots of chicken. I can already see KFC down that way. One thing you're gonna see in Vietnam is a KFC chicken spot. I've never heard of Datori dining.
That's one of the things. We've been here for almost a year now, And a lot of these stores, a lot of these spots that we're seeing, even like the food places are completely brand new to Da Nang. And I would like to try some. I'm kind of getting hungry.
Me too. I haven't eaten all day. I'm seeing a lot of fried chicken, a lot of Japanese, some Korean barbecue, some buffet, which is pretty typical in malls here. I think Vincom is actually bigger than this mall, but this has more like options that I would want personally. I can't even think of like 2 stores in Vincom other than H&M. Oh, H&M and Levi's. This store doesn't have H&M, or this mall doesn't have H&M. I was hoping it had Zara. Then it would have really been...
Yeah, Zara would have been nice.
And they've also got like soups over here, so it's kind of like a food court area.
It's great that they have fully cooked meals so you can just buy.
Like grab and go. This one's $34,000.
$34,000? That's a good price.
I wonder if this stuff is available on Grab.
Ooh.
That would be clutch.
That would be clutch.
Because even though this mall is really nice, like I can't see myself coming here too much. It's so crowded. Oh my gosh, this is actually not bad.
Look at the chicken. That's a big piece of chicken. One for Anna and one for me. That's how we eat at our house. I got the 2 chickens, but there's like nothing stopping me from just going.
Yes,
I love,
morals.
yeah, moral. But I love the trust system that they have here.
How much do you think that's gonna be?
Under 50,000.
Okay, let's see. So, under 50,000, huh?
Yeah, it's not under 50,000.
You were so wrong. Definitely not under 50K.
Yeah.
And that wraps it up. That was super quick. Just 4 floors, very nice, very spacious and clean. I can tell that there's gonna be more added to the mall. This is only the 4th day of the open. So I'm glad we checked it out. I think this is a great addition to Da Nang. Da Nang is expanding and growing so much since we've been here. So I know there's gonna be more. There's even like more above the mall that we didn't even get to see. So a lot coming forward. I'm super happy they added this. I'm so excited for Muji and Uniqlo that we didn't even get to go in because it was so packed in there. But overall, a great experience. I feel like this is gonna be a really nice stop. If you're visiting Da Nang, I feel like this is like a nice addition to what we have already.
It's definitely elevating the shopping scene here. More stores. Love that they have Nike, they have Adidas, they have
Foot Locker was in there as well.
Foot Locker as well, yeah.
Yeah, so they have more variety of things that we would actually use versus just like the more local things to Vietnam, which we really like. I think it's a great option because there's gonna be so many people coming from so many different places. So I think it was time. This is overall a great addition to the Da Nang shopping scene, like you said. I'm so glad we got to check it out early. And can't wait to see what else they got going on here, but this was just a quick video to show you guys what's actually in there so far. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one.
Peace.